Bachelor of Engineering Honours is a 4-year full-time course and can be also studied part-time. The course includes a lot of work-integrated learning and practical work, which I think is what sets it aside from many other courses. Starting out in first year, in fact, we actually get our students to work with practicing engineers and to work on a real project. And it gives them a chance to understand a bit more about the engineering industry itself. So in term 2, we get students to complete a project with an industry partner. And this is a chance for them to really understand what are some of the working opportunities available out in our supporting regions. The course concludes with an honours thesis, which is where students complete their own research project. Our Bachelor of Engineering Honours does have a lot of connection with industry. We have a wide web of engineering firms who are involved with our courses and actually do provide input into the design of the curriculum as well. Students need to complete 480 hours of engineering practice. This can be at any engineering firm that they choose, and we will facilitate that process for them.
It's very clear philosophy within CQUniv to pursue and bring on board the absolutely best people that we can find. So it was a good avenue for us to partner with CQUniversity. The graduates from there seem to transition better than other graduates that I've certainly had exposure to.
Generally, we find out with all the CQUniversity students that have come here, they come with good values and we appreciate what they bring to the business. Advice to any students looking at an engineering profession is certainly something that will always be in need, and there'll be always opportunities for work. So it's exciting times, and if you are a sponge and you like learning things and need to constantly learn, it's certainly a profession to get involved in.
A lot of our students actually enter the workforce straight away. In fact, we're frequently ranked as one of the main institutions in the country in terms of the graduate starting salaries and the number of graduates in the workforce for engineering.
The best thing about studying at CQUniversity and my local campus is the close-knit community. The peer-to-peer support from having small numbers and the access to lecturers, both via email and phone. If you're ever in a situation, whether that's personal, academic, professional, whatever, they are always easy to communicate and willing to help. I found the small class sizes beneficial because you get that personal connection. My internship experience here at CQUniversity's been very positive. The engineering staff and even the workshop staff are very supportive. They understand that you're learning both the hard and soft skills required for your position and supporting them in various roles. Since starting to study my Bachelor of Engineering, it has allowed me to have a complete career change. Without my partially completed Bachelor, I couldn't hold my position here at CQUniversity.
The future of engineering is looking really bright. Engineering is constantly evolving. We are constantly finding new things and new ways of doing things. And this is helping us get towards a more sustainable way of living. So if somebody has an interest in how things work and is interested in pulling things apart and maybe improving them, and has that analytical mind or constructive mind, I think that they would be highly suited to engineering. Engineering is about problem solving. It's about seeing things differently and coming up with new solutions and applying skills and knowledge from maths and science and technology.